Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to remove and replace these center wheel caps on this Porsche GTS. Only tool required would be a pick tool, or you could go ahead and use a thin Allen that you're going to insert into the hole and pull it towards you to pop it out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the center caps in by simply getting our center cap, aligning it and pushing it inward till you hear that click. You could easily find these on eBay or any other online retailer. You just have to put your vehicle specific and make sure it is compatible with yours. Gonna be doing the same process all around. Insert and just pop it out. And then align and push in. Hear that click and push in, doing a quick little 360. We're gonna go ahead and follow the same process here on the passenger side. Insert, pop out, insert, push in. So when putting in these center caps, make sure it is flush fit. It is typical for one side to be pushed in more than the other. Go ahead and align it perfectly and make sure all sides are well rounded out and there is no side poking out more than the other. And just like that, we are good to go.